In this video, we're talking about OpenLedger token is legit or scam. Before buying this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is a AI blockchain liquidity to monetize models, and this is a giant foundation for trusted AI. You can start building from here. So friends, you can complete, you have this docs, you can write your all building, you can use, if you have AI applications, you can write your project name of your project, you can write your or description for this project. Anyway, guys, this is based on AI, liquidity layer, and EVM infrastructures, and this is proof of attributions. So this transaction, as you can see here, you have almost 3 million of transactions. Smart contract is 2,000 and wallet almost 10,000. And then this is the model OpenLedger. This is our ecosystem with all this platform. The price is $0.25 and this total supply 1 billion of this token, max supply also 1 billion of open token. The bullish is 81%. The token listed on popular exchange like Binance, Upbit, Bitget, and KuCoins, and PancakeSwap, and BankX, and KuCoin. This is a circulating supply, and if I check this is a white paper. You can read all this white paper and the roadmap about this project. This is the white paper. You can read all this data of this token. This is transaction. I see 27,000 transaction with a huge volume of transfer. Last 1 minute to last 1 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. This is all good inside. I see some engage here on this community. This is good inside. So anyway, friends, before buy this token, this is tokenomics unlocks. Unlocked is 23%, locked 76%. This is for team 15%, private 18%, ecosystem 10%. This is good inside for this statistic, good statistic. I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial advice. Collab and tested all this platform like Mask, like my Hash3, like all this platform.